Hello, good morning students. KGPS online classes. Today we solve exercise 3.3 question number 2. We have question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Here it is 24. And hence find the value of m for which y is equals to mx plus 3. We have to solve these two equations. And we find the value of x and y, then we put this value x and y here, and then we find the value of m. Here is 2x plus 3y is equals to 11, 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Then here we subtract. We use the elimination method. We eliminate the one value, either x or y. Here is 2x, here is 2x. If we subtract, then sign changes. Minus, here it is minus, it is plus, now it is minus is plus. This cancel out. This is 3y plus 4y, that is 7y. 11 plus 24 is 35. 7 5s are 35. We have y is equals to 5, and we put this value in equation first. 2x plus 3 into 5 is equals to 11. 3 5s are 15. 11 minus 15. 2x is equals to minus 4. We have x is equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 5. We put this value in y is equals to mx plus 3. The value is 5 and the value of x is minus 2. We put here minus 2 plus 3. Here 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 2m. Here is 2 is equals to minus 2m. 2 cancel out one time, and m is equals to minus 1 is the answer. M is equals to minus 1 is the answer. Now we solve question number 3. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems. Find their solutions by substitution. We have to find the solution by substitution method. We have question number 3. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. The difference between the two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. We have to find the two numbers. First we suppose let the first number be x and the second number be y, such that x is greater than y. हमने दो नंबर मान लिए, पहला नंबर x माना, दूसरा y माना. पहला नंबर दूसरे से बड़ा है. तो here it is given ATQ means according to question the difference is equals to 26. The difference means x minus y. Here the difference means x minus y is equals to 26. And the second condition is that one number is 3 times the other. Here this x is the bigger number and y is the smaller number. X is equals to 3y, it is given. Now we substitute this value in equation 1. We put x is equals to 3y here. 3y minus y, that is 26. 3y minus y is 2y is equals to 26. Then 2 cancel out, then it becomes 13. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Y is equals to 13. Here we have the value y is equals to 13, and we put this value in this equation. X is equals to 3y. 3 into y is 13. 13 3s are 39. The value of x is 39 and the value of y is 13. The first number is 39 and the second number is 13. So this is the solution. Now part second. The larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. We have to find these two supplementary angles. Let the two supplementary angles be x and y, and x is greater than y. We suppose that x is greater than y. One angle exceed 18. एक एंगल जो है बड़ा वाला एंगल छोटे वाले से 18 ज़्यादा है. और आप ये भी कह सकते हैं इन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है, दिस बिगर एंगल माइनस स्मॉलर एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू 18 डिग्री. जो बिगर एंगल है वो कितना ज़्यादा है स्मॉलर से, 18 डिग्री ज़्यादा है. और वी कैन से दैट द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज टू एंगल्स इज़ 18. बोथ आर द सेम थिंग. इट एक्सीड्स और डिफरेंस इज़ द सेम थिंग. The difference between these two angles are 18 degree, and we know that the sum of the supplementary angles is 180. Sum of two supplementary angles is always 180. So we add these terms, cancel out. X plus x is 2x. Here it is 180 plus 18 is 198. Now we divide it by 198 by 2, then we get x is equals to 99 degree. One angle is 99 degree, and we put this value in equation 1. We get 99 minus 18 is equals to y is equals to 81 degree. y is equals to 81 degree, and this is the smaller angle and this is the bigger angle, and their difference is 89. 99 minus 81 is 18. Now question number second. Now we do question number. Now we have third part. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for the rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. आपको एक बैट और एक बॉल की कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है. तो हमने सपोज किया लेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन बैट. एक बैट की कॉस्ट x मान ली और एक बॉल की कॉस्ट हमने y मान ली. द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन बैट इज़ x. कितने बैट खरीदे हैं? 7 बैट. तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 7 बैट इज़ 7x. बॉल्स कितनी खरीदी हैं? 6. तो एक बॉल की कॉस्ट y है तो 6 बॉल की कॉस्ट हो जाएगी आपकी 6y. तो टोटल कॉस्ट इज 7x प्लस 6y इज इक्वल्स टू 3,800. इन द सेम वे later she buys 3 bat. The cost of 1 bat is x, 3 bat is 3x, and 5 balls. The cost of 5 balls is 5y is equals to 1,750. Now we use here 7x plus 6y, 3x plus 5y. We multiply this equation, this by 3 and this by 7, because we have to equal these terms. If we multiply 3 into 7 is 21. If we multiply 7 into 3 is 21. So we multiply 3 by this equation, 7 by this equation. Now these equations become 3 into 7 is 21. Here it is 21. And 3 into 6 is 18. Here it is 18. And 3 into 3,800 is 11,400. Now we multiply by 7. 7 into 3 is 21x. 7 into 5 is 35. And 7 into 1,750 is 12,250. Now we subtract. Then sign changes. Here it is minus, here it is minus, here it is minus. These terms cancel out. 35 minus 18. The 35 is the negative term. Here it remains minus 17y, and here it remains minus 850. So this cancel out. 17 5 is 85. Here it is 50. The value of y is 50. Now we put this value in first. We get 3x plus 5 into 50 is equals to 1,750. 5 5 is 25, 250. We move this value on the right hand side. Now it becomes 3x is equals to 1500. Then 3 5s are 15. It is 500. The cost of one bat is 500 and the cost of one ball is 50 rupees. We stop here and we will continue in the next class. Thank you.